So here in front of me, I got the 2026 Polestar 4 Pilot M Plus. This one is priced at almost $80,000. You got the beautiful color, the cool LED headlights. You got the side LED lights as well with your side markers. And you got these cool door handles. When you lock them, they close flush. When you open the vehicle, it pops right out, just like Range Rover. The back looks pretty cool as well. Press this button right here. You get an infinity tail light. You get lots of space as well. There is no like open area to see, only if you take out this little compartment. And you got storage here. Open it up, you got some more storage for your chargers and everything. And there, as you guys can see, there's no back glass. It's only a camera that you use to see in the back. And you get your third LED brake light as well right there on top. You got a glass roof, this nice gray color. You get gloss black trim around the windows. It looks like a station wagon sedan. You got the frameless windows that go down when you open the door. On the back door panel, you get ambient lighting. This nice gray material. More nicer material as well. It has a nice soft touch to it. You get like aluminum, plastic, silver buttons. You get your Harman and Kardon sound system. The seats feel very nice in the back. You get leather seats as well in the back. The middle compartment goes down. You got lots of space for car seats, kids. In the rear, you got a digital climate control feature for heated seats, and the rear passengers can customize it to their liking. You get power folding mirrors. Wireless charging pad. Digital mirror in the back. You get a leather wrapped steering wheel with a flat bottom. It's heated. You also get heated and cool seats. They also massage you. You get your Google Maps, different drive modes. You can tune the suspension, sport mode, the regenerative braking. I turn that off because it makes you feel weird. But you got this nice glass roof that you could unblur with a push of a button. There you go. Reduce tint. And it goes clear. And then if you want to blur it again to keep the sunlight away, just turn that off. Your drive mode selected right here. Reverse, up, and parking for the button right here. When you put in drive or reverse, the camera quality is really good. There's different cameras to choose from. Front, sides, back. Check out the turn signal sound. Very nice. And the ambient lighting is color changing as well. You got nice material here, nice center console. Everything you touch, either right here is like aluminum for your cup holders, your knob for the sound, more storage right there. Nice, this white gray material. Seats feel nice and like has a nice texture to them, fully leather. So Polestar and the Volvo designed it very well. Let's go for a quick drive. You also get heads-up display. You get 577 horsepower, so almost 600 horsepower, and 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. The drive is very smooth. Everything on the interior feels high quality, nothing cheap or tacky. You also get a small digital gauge cluster that you can change through different modes. You got one display here, second one with your maps, and third one with your car, and it shows that there's a car next to you. car does drive smooth. I like it that you could adjust the suspension, steering wheel, you put standard. And with a full charge, you can almost go 300 miles. Depends on the conditions, if it's cold or hot, if you use AC, so it does vary. On your back roads. Testing out the suspension. It soaks up the bumps pretty good. Put firm. Let's put firm here. Sport mode, performance. Let's do a nice little pull for you guys. Dang, that's quick. This car is fast. For being an electric car, not bad. Let's change it back to standard, off sport mode. There you go. Man, she moves. It's got power. In normal mode, it goes pretty good too. You have a much more of a delay in the kickdown if you're not in sport mode, but if you're in sport mode, man, this thing grips. Got the rip on the road. Something about electric cars has instant torque. So much fun. And one thing I like about it is when you own one, you won't have to do any oil changes. I'm sure there's some like fluids you gotta change, but not like on a regular car. If you live around town and don't drive that far, under 300 miles, you're good. You can definitely take it to the beach and to Seattle if you wanted to, no problem. If you guys enjoy this review of this 2026 Polestar 4 Pilot Plus, subscribe, like, and share this video. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless.